Tattva Brahma Jagat Sarvam. It means entire creation is made of Tattva called Brahma. Its nature is of bliss, auspiciousness, supreme intelligence. Let's say if you are given a mass of soil, you can make anything out of it with your intelligence. You may make just a flat surface or something strange, or create mess out of it, or create something very beautiful out of it. A statue, a temple, a cave, a house, animals, flowers, anything that's very beautiful. Or you may not do anything out of it, or just throw it. In case of creation, soil is nothing but the Brahma Tattva. Because the creator is an artist, he created an art out of it, which is a beautiful piece of art. His bliss and ecstasy, his nature made him make such a beautiful world. As a supreme piece of art, nothing can be compared with it. It's beyond imagination. Because being an artist is his nature. When it comes to you, if you are doing something that's not your nature, then it's of no use. You might be doing something to earn money, or because others are doing it, or others are telling you to do, or for whatever reason. All of it will keep you in prison. You will not feel freedom and joy and fulfillment in life. You cannot enjoy your life and express your true self, your true joy. Explore your true nature and express it. Express art inside you. No matter what you love to do, it's your true nature. And the expression of your true nature is same as that of expression of creator. It is the art, beauty, joy and celebration.